Hello, I'm Liz Zorab, and this is Well, no, this isn't. This is Mr. J. This is Byther Farm. Out there. Oh, it's going to be one of those mornings. And today, well, we're tying up loads of loose ends. After a really hectic week, it was hectic, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
This weekend we ran our first course at Byther Farm, which I think went fairly well.
Nobody ran away screaming, so that's always a good sign.
So obviously we'll wait for some feedback forms to come back, and then we'll know whether that was of use to people or not. And the clicking noise that we have been listening to in the kitchen for the last 3.5 weeks has stopped, because the duck eggs are no longer on the rocker and timer. They have now gone into lockdown, and hopefully we'll have ducklings on Friday.
So Easter Friday.
Yeah, Easter
ducks.
I was about to say Easter chicks, but they're not.
No,
They'll be Easter ducks.
Easter ducks, but that's just as cute, if not cuter.
I think so. So before the new ducklings arrive, let's have a quick catch up with how the chicks from our last hatch were doing. So the other thing that happened last week was that this channel.
Oh right, yeah. What happened? What happened?
Gained its 10,000th member.
Woohoo!
Of the community, and so I announced. I announced a giveaway.
I know nothing.
So I announced a giveaway, and we're giving away a bag in a bed in a bag. One of those. It's a circular fabric bag that you then fill up with compost, and it's like an instant raised bed. Veg in One Bed by Hugh Richards, and a selection of cards that were illustrated by our friend Alison Lingley for
the James Herriot collection,
and also one that features alpacas. From inspired by a conversation that Alison had when she was here. So what you had to do is you had to leave a comment on the video last week by 11:59 PM BST yesterday, and I did promise that I would
must be Tuesday.
It is Tuesday. So we've had a really good few days. I had a lovely rest yesterday. I just potted around in the garden. Well, I didn't actually. I potted around in the polytunnel because it rained most of the day yesterday. So I thought I'd bring you into the polytunnel and show you what I did yesterday, which was to get down a piece of weed suppressive membrane. It's not staying here, but it will just start weakening the red and white clover. It's mostly white clover. That's on the ground, ready for me to turn that over. Actually, you know what, Hugh has offered to come and turn this over so I can then put cardboard on it and a mulch over the top and plant through that. But I suspect I'll get a bit impatient and I'll start doing it as well. But what I have done is plant up quite a lot of seeds into modules. Our local plant nursery advertised the other day saying, did anybody want any seed modules? So I popped around to the garden centre and picked up quite a lot of these. They've got 84 modules per tray. They actually did them up to 200 and something modules a tray, but I almost think no sooner have the seeds germinated than I would need to pot those on, whereas in this size module they can sit for a tiny bit longer before they get transplanted out. So I've done 3 trays over there, some with spring onions, some with beetroot chogia, which is the it's pink and white. When you cut through the beetroot, it's pink and white, like candy striped circles. Some dwarf sunflowers and some root parsley, which I haven't had before, but I'm certainly looking forward to trying that. And then lots of half-size modules. Trays like this with 12 modules per half tray, so about twice the size of the ones I have been doing, and I've done 9 trays like this of sweet corn. So basically it's about 100 sweet corn plants, and I've also just started planting the various different squashes. So this is a spaghetti, I've done a blue Hubbard, butternut squash, F1 Hunter, some jack-o'-lanterns for the grandchildren for Halloween time, and it won't be very long before I start getting the rest of the squash seeds sown, and then I'll need to think about frameworks for them to grow up. Some of them I know are just going to scramble across the floor, but where I can, I want them to go up and over arches, just like they did last year. So I have lovingly written every name on a piece of paper here. Like, this isn't every name in the world, this is
It just feels like
this is every name of someone who left a comment on that video, except for the 2 people who said please don't include me in the prize draw. So I'm going to ask you if you could pull one of these pieces of paper out, but could you keep it in view? Give them a good look round, because there's some stuff at the bottom.
I'm not looking at them at all.
No, I think you can look round. A good
Scribble round. Scroogle.
Yes. Pull them round. There we go. He's got one. And it is
upside down.
Do you know what it says?
It says Pete T.
Excellent. Congratulations. I was trying to focus on it back to front. Congratulations, Pete. Please get in touch with me. And the easiest way to do that is probably via my website. So if you look at bytherfarm.co.uk, there's a contact form on there. Get in touch with me and we'll make sure that we'll get that prize bundle to you very soon.
Congratulations.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope you'll join me again next time.